Yes, good morning everyone. Welcome back in our online classes. Class 3rd, our dewdrop. Yesterday, we have completed our present poem, Our Dewdrop. Today, we will do the book activity and I'll explain you the question answers and the book activity of this poem. Okay, but before starting this, I'll revise your poem, Our Dewdrop. A dewdrop is a small drops of water. Little drop of dew like a gem you are, I believe that you must have been a star. When the day is bright on the grass you lie, tell me then at night are you in the sky? That is a present poem and it is written by the Frank Dempster Sherman. Okay, the poem is written by the Frank Dempster Sherman. In this poem, the poet, who is the poet? The Frank Dempster Sherman, but he is not a speaker. The speaker is a child. The child in this present poem, the child is talking to a dewdrop and he said to her that the little drop of dew like a gem you are, you look like a gem. Gem एक stone होता है, like a diamond, ruby, like this. I believe that you must have been a star. चाइल्ड है वो ड्यू ड्रॉप से क्या कहता है कि मुझे यकीन है कि तुम पहले अपनी लाइफ में क्या थी, एक बार स्टार रहे होंगे. वैन वन डे इज़ ब्राइट ऑन द ग्रास यू लाई. वैन द डे इज़ ब्राइट, जब दिन ब्राइट होता है, दिन डे ब्राइट होता है, जब मॉर्निंग होती है, तुम कहाँ पे लेट जाती हो? ग्रास पर लेट जाती हो. यू लाई ऑन द ग्रास इन द मॉर्निंग. टेल मी देन एट नाइट आर यू इन द स्काई. तो मुझे ये बताओगी कि जब रात हो जाती है तो तुम क्या स्काई में चली जाती हो. That is a conversation between the dewdrop and the child. Now let's see the book activity, the page number 4. Now look at this page. On the first, here is the word meaning. You have to write the word meaning in your notebook. There is only 2 words, dew and jam. The dew is here small drops of water on grass in the early morning. And the jam is okay. So there are the 2 words you have to write in your notebook, word meaning. Okay, now look at the second. Understand the poem. Here we have the question, take the correct answers. The first is the child is talking to. चाइल्ड किससे टॉक कर रहा है, किससे बात कर रहा है? इन द प्रेजेंट पोएम द चाइल्ड इज टॉकिंग टू अ ड्यू ड्रॉप. द ए इज करेक्ट, तो टेक द ए. ओके, look at the second. The child thinks that the dew drop was once. चाइल्ड क्या सोचता है कि ड्यू ड्रॉप क्या थी? ड्यू ड्रॉप was a star. Okay, now look at the third. In the morning the dewdrop is on the grass. Okay, now look again. The first, the children is talking to. A is correct, a dewdrop. Second is a child thinks that the dewdrop was once a star. The B is correct. The third, in the morning the dewdrop is on the grass. Again B is correct. Okay, now B, answer these questions. Here we have the 3 questions. What does the dewdrop look like? Dewdrop जो है किसकी तरह दिखती है? The dewdrop looks like a jam. What does the child think about the dewdrop? जो child है वो dewdrop के बारे में क्या सोचता है? चाइल्ड थिंक्स दैट कि इट मस्ट हैव बीन अ स्टार, कि वो एक स्टार रही होगी वंस इन लाइफ. व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड आस्क्स द ड्यू ड्रॉप. चाइल्ड जो है वो ड्यू ड्रॉप से क्या क्वेश्चन करता है? ही आस्क्ड हर एट नाइट आर यू इन द स्काई, कि तुम रात को क्या स्काई में होते हो. उससे क्या पूछता है कि आर यू in the sky at night. Okay, now see, discuss in class. What is common to a dewdrop, a jam and a star? क्या common है dewdrop में, jam और star में? The similar is this, the one thing, the shining and brightness. Like a jam, like a star, the dewdrop also shines. That is the similar between the dewdrop, jam and star. Okay, understood this? Now, know the poem. Know the poem, the D, look at the D. Read these lines and answer the questions. Here again we have two questions. There are some lines. I believe that you must have been a star. मुझे यकीन है कि तुम एक बार क्या रहे होगे, स्टार रहे होगे. First, who is the speaker? Who says these words? The child is the speaker of these words. Okay. B, is the speaker sure that you was a star once? You यहाँ किस लिए आया है? You is referred to a dewdrop. तो you was a star once. क्या speaker sure था? Yes, the speaker was sure that the you was star once. Okay. Now, second, tell me, then at night are you in the sky? मुझे बताओ कि at night are you in the sky? Who is the speaker talking to? Speaker किससे पूछ रहा है ये? The speaker is talking to the child is talking to dewdrop. Okay. Second, why does the speaker wonder if the listener is in the sky? क्यों wonder है? अगर listener जो है वो sky में है, क्यों wonder है वो? Because जब morning होती है तो वो क्या होता है? morning के टाइम तो जो dewdrops हैं वो कहाँ लाई होती हैं? ग्रास पर. और जब नाइट होती है तो वो गायब हो जाती है. तो बोल रहा है कि तुम के स्काई में चले जाते हो. दैट्स वाई. ओके. द rhyming words are the words that end with the same sound, such as dew and you. In the poem, which word does bright rhyme with? And find another pair of rhyming words from the poem. Which are the rhyming words? Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? The rhyming words that the words that end with the same sound. जब वो end होते हैं तो उनका same sound होता है. जैसे कि dew, you. ओके. Bright, night. Bright का rhyming words क्या है poem में? Bright, night, lie, sky, are, star. All are the rhyming words. Okay. In the present poem we have dew, you. Are, star, bright, night, lie, sky. Okay. So how many rhyming words are there? Dew, you. 1. Are, star. 2. Bright, night. 3. Lie and sky. There are 4 words of rhyming words you have to write there. Now, the book activity is completed. The question answer is also completed, but I'll explain you again if you have any problem. Otherwise, I'll send you the PDF tomorrow of these questions and you will copy in your notebook. Okay. But remember one thing, that the word meaning you have to write in notebook. 2 ही words हैं इसमें सिर्फ. ये आपको अपनी नोटबुक में करने हैं. एंड अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम. जो आपका टिक द करेक्ट आंसर दे रखा है, लुक इट हियर, दिस वन, ये आपको बुक में ही करना है. इसको नोटबुक में कॉपी नहीं करना है. ओके. नीचे देखिए B, C एंड D एंड E. ये सब, इस सब के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की मैं आपको PDF सेंड करूँगी. टुमारो आई विल सेंड यू द PDF ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. देन यू विल कॉपी इन योर नोटबुक. आप अपनी नोटबुक में उसे कॉपी कर लेंगे. Okay, you have to make the 2 copies, 2 notebooks for English. First for the text English and second for grammar. तो आपको English text books में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने होंगे. First of all, you mention the poem name, a dewdrop, then write the word meaning, then question answers. Okay, I'll send the PDF tomorrow. Then you will copy the question answers and learn it. You have to learn. ओके आपको लर्न करना होगा साथ के साथ ही. क्लियर दैट? इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू विल आस्क मी अगेन. टिल देन टेक केयर.